Now, next part we are going to learn the type of set. The first type is finite set. So if the number of the elements in a set is finite, the set is said to be a finite set. If you have a number of elements finite, as example, that means you can count the number of the element. As example, positive integers less than 5, you can count it. How many integers are there? Like that, if we can count how many elements are there, that is called finite set. So look at this one, a equal 1 2 3 4. You can directly count the number of elements. Infinite set, if the number of the elements in a set is infinite, the set is said to be a infinite. That means if you can't count how many elements are there, that is called infinite. If I ask to write the positive integers, it is endless. You can't end. So you don't know what is the exact amount of positive integers, but you can write positive integers, but it is infinite set. Next one is null set. So how do you identify null set? There's a two symbol we are using, the zero symbol O, otherwise we can use empty bracket. This null set is set there are no elements in a set is called null set. As example, whole number between 2 and 3. There are no whole number between 2 and 3. The numbers between 2 and 3 are decimal or fraction. There are no whole numbers. And previous session, I think you remember the people's taller than 3 kilometers, like that, null set. You can't find a people man taller than 3 kilometer. Next one, equal set. Two sets which have the same elements are called equal set. That means both sets should have same element. These are called equal set. The next one is the equivalent set. In this case, you don't want the same element, but the number of the element, if it is equal, that is called the equivalent set. In the equivalent set, there are only number of the elements are equal. No need to the equal all the elements. Next one, subset. There is two symbols we are using. It looks like C, and if you cut that one, that is called not a subset. So look at this, a set which has no elements, several elements, or all the elements of the certain set is called subset of the original set. That means if you take a part of a set, that is called a subset. I think you can get the idea by using this example. A equal 1 2 3, write all the subset for A. So how do you write the subset for A? You can write empty bracket, that's mean null set. You can take only one element. You can consider only one element. That time 1 comes 1 or 3, 2 or 3. So you can consider 2 by 2, then 1 2 1 3 2 3, or otherwise you can consider all the elements. So these are the subset, that means part of this A. You can see these are the part of the set A. So how many elements are there? There are 8 elements. If you know the number of the elements in the given set, you can directly identify how many subsets are there. You can find it by using 2 to the power. It should be n. They are not n square. It is incorrect. This equation is incorrect. You will write 2 to the power n. 2 to the power n.